everybody! Como ça va? I'm so excited to share with you guys something that I got from Emily in Paris. And that is the iconic classic 3D vintage camera.
Tu es excité?
Then, let's start! So, I ordered this case from SHOPEE 2 weeks ago, and for me, the delivery time is just good despite it is still from overseas. I've been waiting for this since I super duper love Emily in Paris. As you can see, it is well packed and well sealed by a plastic cover, and all the inclusions are there. The phone case itself is made in PC and silicone. As you can see, meron din siyang realistic switches just like a real camera. Kasama din sa package itong strap or sling that you can use to hang around your neck. Removable din siya. Yung speaker, camera lenses, and ports ng phone ko ay hindi din ako cover ng case. So that's a good thing. I got this from 342 pesos to only 292 pesos. Yung disadvantage na lang is available lang siya for iPhone users and walang stock yung ibang colors or variations niya. But overall, I give this 5 out of 5 rating since I received the correct variation that I ordered with no damage at all. It's also super cute and very artsy and unique as well.